World War II. He was such a noble dude. I can't even finish school. Missed my mom and left too soon. His dad was a fireman who fought fire so violent. I think I bored my therapist while playing him my violin.
Oh my God,
That's so insane.
oh my God.
That's such a shame. Next to them my shit don't feel so grand, but I can't help myself from